Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2016 Honda Goldwing. This is the navigation equipped and ABS model. Fantastic condition, beautiful metallic red, 95,000 miles. This vehicle was extremely well maintained. The owner changed the oil every 2,000 miles. He accelerated the oil changes on the differential. The bike's been fully serviced here in perfect running condition. Heated grips, heated seats, AM/FM stereo. Come on by and make your Goldwing ABS dreams come true for just $11,990. This is 1/3 the cost of a new one. Come on by and check it out. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This one has reverse gear as well, 6 cylinders. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.